Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Corolla windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Now, carefully examine the connection point where the wiper blade meets the arm to identify the release mechanism. To remove the old blade, firmly press the small release tab or button located on the wiper blade's connector. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This ensures proper function. Once the new blade is secure, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these simple steps for the other wiper blade on your Corolla. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.